Anyone? Help! Anyone? Help! What's this?
Are you okay?
Thank you. You know, this button is precious.
Yes.
It's a precious.
So, this is an alarm system for when someone is trapped inside. All you have to do is press the button inside the chamber and the alarm will go off. So, when you press the button inside the chamber, the monologue will stop working, and as you can see, the display will show that the alarm went off. All you have to do is, as you can see, the number is above 90, and this is enough for people from outside to hear it. Thanks for watching our video, and soon we will be introducing more products from Elijon.